Hello everyone. In our last video, we saw about numbering system. We learned about Indian numbering system and international numbering system. And we understood how to represent large numbers in this numbering system. Now let's understand how do we operate on these large numbers. So the first thing you should think about is there is no need to worry when we are talking about operations on large numbers. The operations are exactly same as the operations on smaller numbers. So let's revise or let's remember what we do when we operate on smaller numbers. Now if I want to add these numbers, what do we do? The important thing is we have to align the digits from the right hand side, which means I have to write it in a vertical fashion. It will be 2343 plus. Now the second number when I write, I should write the last digit aligned with this last digit of this number. And now we just add digit by digit. And we get answer 15,264. So the important thing is that we aligned the numbers from the right hand side. The last digits we aligned them and then we wrote numbers like this and one digit below the other. Once we do that and then we keep on adding the digits below each other, we get the answer. Let's say if I want to subtract same numbers, let's take. Again, I have to do the same thing and then do the subtraction. $10,578 is the answer. When we do operations on large numbers, there is nothing different we do. We have to align the last digit and then we start doing addition or subtraction. Now what do we do for multiplication? If I have 1523 multiplied by 29, I write it in vertical fashion. Now I multiplied by 9. And then when we want to multiply by the tens digit, we have to first give one 0 at the end. And then we add them. So the answer is 44,167. How we do division? So 44,167, 44,167 divided by 29. So our answer is 1523. Now we have seen that we do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of any large number in the same fashion as we did it for the small numbers. So let's do a few sums so that we get some practice of doing operations on large numbers. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So let's write the givens. How much? 2,85,891. Sale in week 2. 4,768. So now we want to know what is the total sale, which is equal to sale in week 1 plus sale in week 2. So let's do this addition in a vertical format. The answer is 6,86,659. Now we want to know which week the sale was greater. So how do we find a greater number? We first count the number of digits. We have 6 digits in this number. In this number we have 6 digits. So we have same number of digits. So now we have to start from the left digit. The leftmost digit here is 2 and here is 4. 4 is greater than 2. So sale in week 2 was greater. And they are asking by how much. To find by how much, we want to know the difference. So difference means we have to subtract. So let's subtract it. We have to take care that the last digit is aligned and then the remaining also get aligned automatically. So sale in second week is greater by rupees 1,14,877. Let's do one more. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So givens. Screws manufactured in one day is equal to 2,825. Now days in January 2006. How many days are there in month January? 31 days. So total screws manufactured are equal to screws manufactured in one day, which is 2,825, multiplied by total number of days, which is 31. So let's do this multiplication in a vertical format. The answer is 87,575 screws are manufactured in January.